Jai Hind, good evening. Welcome to Maths with Sud. Myself Sudhanshu Pandey, and today I am going to start a new lecture for the grade 6 integers, and that is we are going to do our second class, and we are with Ila. Okay, so let's start. So Ila, can you tell me what are the things that we learned in the previous class? That was the first class. Can you revise all those concepts? Yeah, tell me.
So we learned what's the largest integer,
Okay,
smallest integer,
okay,
which integer has no sign.
okay.
Then positive numbers are also known as natural numbers.
Wonderful.
And then the different, like the number system, and there's four operations in the number system: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Wonderful.
We learned about six properties of it.
Okay. Can you name them all those six properties?
Yes, sir. So the first one is closure property.
Okay.
Next one is commutative property. Then associative property, distributive property, which is distributivity of multiplication over addition,
Wonderful.
multiplicative identity, and additive identity.
Additive identity and then additive inverse and multiplicative inverse as well. Okay. And I also taught you the table of 99. You remember that?
Yes.
If I ask you, let us see who can give the answer first. 99 into 56.
500. No, wait. 45, 44, 6, 44, sorry.
5544, because this number will be reduced by 1 and we have to add such a number so that it makes 100. All right, you know this?
Yes.
Okay. What is, tell me, 99 into 72?
7,128.
Okay, great, well done. Okay, so we now know how integers works. Let us now move on to some questions involving integers from our textbook, and then we will do some of the questions from exemplar books as well. Okay, so let's start with some of the questions from the book. Grade 6 maths. Okay, playing with numbers. This is basic geometry. So integer is which chapter?
No idea.
Okay, chapter number 6. Integers involves the chapter number 6. Sunita's mother has 8 bananas. Sunita has to go for a picnic with her friends. She wants to carry 10 bananas with her. Can her mother give 10 bananas to her? No. How many bananas she is having? 6. How many bananas she wants to give? 10. That means she need to borrow 4 from someone. And that borrowing is known as negative. That is known as subtraction. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. Ruchika and Salma are playing a game using a number strip which is marked from 0 to 25 at equal intervals like this. To begin with, both of them placed a color token at the 0 mark. Two colored dice are placed in a bag and are taken out by them one by one. Are you understanding the game? They are playing a game. Okay, these are the color strips. They are having 2 dice, one is colored. Okay, then they put the dice in the bag, take out them and then throw. Okay, so what happens if the die is red in color? The token is moved forward as per the number shown on throwing this die. Suppose the die come as 5, so it will move 5 steps further. If it is blue, the token is moved backward as per the number shown when this die is thrown. The die are put back into the bag after each move so that both of them have equal chances of getting either die. The one who reaches the 25th mark is the first winner. They play the game. Ruchika gets the red die and gets 4 on the die after throwing it. She thus moves the token mark to the point 4. How much? At what point? 4. Now she thus moves the token mark 4 on the strip. Salma also plays and takes out the red die and wins 3 points and thus moves her token to the number. Now in the second attempt, Ruchika secures 3 points with the red die and Selma gets 4 points but with the blue die. So she needs to come back. So 1 was no number before that. So that's how, that's how there was the introduction of negative integer as well. Negative numbers. Are you getting it? So this was the game. Now you know what are these negative numbers. You know what is a successor?
Yes, so the number that comes after.
Predecessor, you just tell me yes or no. That's it.
Previous, yeah.
Okay. So since you know most of the things, we are moving ahead at a faster pace. Integers, you know, natural numbers. Okay. You understand this Venn diagram? This Venn diagram, you understand?
Yeah. Okay.
What is the meaning? This is a Venn diagram. Okay. Try to understand. The highest portion, the greater the sign is of integers. Okay. So you can understand that whole numbers are also a part of integers. Negative number is also a part of integers. 0 is also a part of integer. Natural number is also a part of. Alright, now how this is made? So this is made like, first we will show that the natural number along with 0 becomes whole number. Are you getting it? Natural number along with 0. This is a natural number. This is a 0. Natural number along with 0 becomes the whole number. So I will put this into a whole number. Whole number is a rectangle. All right. Then we have a negative integers as well. Negative integers means along with whole numbers, if I put negative integers as well, then these two will become the part of integer family. Understood? Integer is a big box. In that we have two boxes. One is whole numbers and one is negative numbers. In whole numbers also there are two boxes. One is natural number and one is 0. Understood? I want you to make this diagram. Make this diagram and write down the shapes and their symbol as well. Okay. Okay. Representation of integers on a number line is like this. We have got a positive numbers, then we have got some negative numbers, and in the middle we have 0. All right. Now ordering of integers. So ordering means, you know, ordering of integers means from lower to higher, how it is formed. So every number on the left hand side of the number line is always smaller than the number which is on the right hand side of the number line. Okay. So suppose I draw a number line like this. So in the middle of the number line we have got 0. On the right hand side we have got 1, 2 and then 3, then 4, and it goes up to infinity. Here also it goes up to negative infinity. So it will start from negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So if you see every number on the number line which is left towards any number on the right hand side is always smaller. As we move from left to right, on the number line, the value increases. All right. Any doubt up to here? No? Okay. Okay. Now one day Raman and Imran went to well and counted 8 steps. Okay, this is the problem that we will discuss on this board. Okay. One day, Raman and Imran went to a well and counted 8 steps down the water level. They decided to see how much water would come into the well during rains. They marked 0 at the existing level of water and marked 1, 2, 3, 4 above that level of each step. After the rains, they noted that the water level rose up to 6th step. Water level rose up to 6th step. After a few months, they noticed the water level has fallen down 3 steps below the 0 mark. Now they started thinking about marking the steps to note the fall of water level. So can you help them? So below 0, what we are going to mark then? -1, -2, -3. Are you understanding? You want me to make the picture here? No. Again, your voice is not, I am not able to hear your voice. Okay, guys. Now I can hear you. Okay. So Imran pointed, suddenly Raman remembered that one big dam he saw numbers marked even below 0. So Imran pointed out that there should be some way to distinguish between numbers which are above 0 and below 0. Then Raman called that numbers which were below 0 has minus sign in front of them. So they marked one step below the 0 as -1. So this goes like that. Okay. Now comparing of integers. So comparing of integers, we have got 3 kinds of integers to be compared. First comparing is done, both the numbers are positive. So in the case when both the numbers are positive, higher the value of the number, greater is the number. Okay. Now there may be a situation in which one number is negative, one number is positive. So in such a case, the number with the positive is always greater. Now sometimes you may come across the two numbers, both the numbers are negative. So in this case, the number with the higher value is actually smaller. Suppose I ask which number is greater, -8 or -5. So we know that -8 is smaller than -5. All right, you must be knowing this.
Yes.
Let us once again observe. Okay, so these all you know. Example. By looking at the number line, answer the following questions. Which integer lie between -8 and -2? Tell me quickly.
So the total numbers here are largest and smallest.
Okay, this is the question for you. So first tell me, I want you to read the question by yourself, understand and tell me the answer. If you are not able to understand, then I will make you understand. I think you don't need any help from me.
-7, -6, -5, -4, and -3.
Very good. Integers between -8 and -2 are -7, -6, -4, -4, -3. Which is the largest integer and the smallest integer among them? What is the largest integer?
-3.
So you will write largest integer is equal to -3. And the smallest integer you will write it as -7. All right. Okay. So these questions we can do very easily. I think exercise 6.1. Have you done it before?
Which one, sir?
This exercise 6.1. Have you ever seen these questions? Write the opposite of the following. Increase in weight. What is the opposite?
Decrease in weight.
Yes. See, when you are answering me, answer with a full confidence. Okay, don't make it question tone in your answer. Decrease in weight, don't say like this. Just say decrease in weight. Okay, your statement should be declarative, not interrogative. See, 30 kilometer north. Tell me.
30 kilometers south.
Yes. 326 BC.
326 AD.
Wonderful. 326 AD. Loss of rupees 700.
Profit of rupees 700.
100 meter above the sea level.
100 meter below sea level.
Represent the following numbers as integers with the appropriate sign. An aeroplane is flying at a height of 2000 meter above the ground. How you will represent?
2000. Like just the number 2000.
Plus 2000. Okay. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level.
Minus 800.
Wonderful. A deposit of rupees 800, rupees 200.
Plus 200.
Deposit means it is going to be plus. Withdrawal of rupees 700.
Minus 700.
Minus 700. Represent the following numbers on the number line. Plus 5. How you are going to represent? You will draw a straight line. Then you will put a 0 mark. Then you will put a negative 1. Then 5 numbers you have to show. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should remember that all the spacing between these numbers should be approximately same. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. So can you represent negative 10 plus 8, negative 6, negative 1?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
So please represent, be quick. Represent all the numbers in a same single line. Represent all these numbers in a same single line in your notebook.
Yeah.
So you have to start from negative 10 and you have to reach up to positive 8. Show me all the numbers.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, in the next question, tell me if the point D is plus 8, what is minus 8?
D. Okay. Minus D.
That's what I am asking. Which point is minus 8? You have to tell me the name. O is minus 8. Come on, D is plus 8. Which point is minus 8?
Minus D.
Minus D. No,
Yeah.
dear. See, try to understand. While coming down 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now this is the sea level. This is the sea level.
Okay, sorry, I didn't see that. Okay.
Okay, you didn't saw this?
No, I didn't see that.
Now tell me.
Yeah, okay. F. No, yeah, F. Sorry, yeah, F.
Wonderful. Well done. Okay. Some more questions with the same figure. Okay. So read the question. Is point G a negative integer or a positive integer?
It's a negative integer.
G is negative?
Yes.
Okay. Write integers for the points B and E. What is B? Tell me.
4.
Okay.
E is going to be minus 10.
Minus 9, dear, because this was negative 8. Sorry, it was negative 10. Wonderful. Which point marked on this number line has the least value?
E point E.
E.
Hmm.
Arrange all the points in the decreasing order of their value.
Okay.
Decreasing order means the highest value is D.
So D, C, B, A, O, H.
Please write down in this manner. D, C, B, A, O, H, G, F, E. Done?
Um,
Is this chapter taught in your school?
Partially. Yeah, it is.
So you must be knowing all this already.
Yes.
So have you done these questions before?
We haven't done these questions. Mostly just like numbers, like.
So what is the name of the book that your school is following?
So we don't follow the book method. It's like the teacher gives us questions.
So it is not from any book, it is from her own mind.
Yeah.
So teacher is a question bank.
In this case, yes, sir.
Okay. Good that she remembers questions as well. Wonderful. Okay. So following is the list of the temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day. Okay. So let's do these questions. Okay. Following is the list of the temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Place is Siachen. Temperature is 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. So how should I write as an integer? Negative 10. Shimla is 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius means
-2.
-2. Ahmedabad is 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius means 30. Delhi is 20 degrees Celsius above means positive, 5 degrees Celsius below means negative. Write the temperatures of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. So we have written following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Plot the name of the city against its temperature, which is the coolest place. Tell me which is the coolest place.
Siachen.
Very good. Write the names of the places where temperature is above 10 degrees Celsius.
Delhi and
Okay.
Ahmed. That's it.
What is the next name?
Ahmedabad.
Okay, Ahmedabad. Okay. Well done. Okay. Then here comes another type of question. You have to be very careful, okay, in answering the question. I want you to read the question yourself and start from doing A. And you have to say yes or no. Read the question.
Okay, understood. A, yes.
Okay.
B, no.
Okay.
C, no.
Okay.
D is yes. And then E is yes. And then the next one is yes.
How yes?
One is to the right is minus.
Which number is to the right of the other on the number line? So 9 is?
I'm actually supposed to tell the number which is on the right.
Yes. Well,
So,
that's okay. If you're saying yes also, then it's okay. So 9 is towards the right of 2. In this case you will say -3. In this case you will say 0. In this case you will say 10, then 6, then 1. Okay. Okay. Write all the integers between the given pairs. You can do it easily. Okay. So here are some more questions for you. Write 4 negative integers greater than -20.
Okay. Uh, -15,
Okay.
-10,
Okay.
-5, -1.
Okay. Good. Write 4 negative integers less than -10.
-100.
Come on, dear.
Um,
Ella, you have to be so simple and easy. Why you are
okay.
taking so much of tension? Okay. You could have told me -11.
-12, -13, -14.
Keep it simple and easy. Okay. Don't make it difficult for yourself. Okay. You are thinking and telling me minus, then you are thinking 100. I think the next number you could have told -1000 and then 10,000 like that. Okay. For the following statements, write true or false. If the statement is false, correct the statement. So the first question is -8 is to the right of -10 on the number line. Is it true?
It is true. It is true.
-100 is to the right of -50 on the number line.
No, it's false.
Okay. Smallest negative integer is -1.
False.
-26 is greater than -25.
False.
You are doing so well, my dear. Wonderful. Okay. So let's play some games now. Word games. Draw a number line and answer the following. Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of -2?
4 numbers to the right of -2. Okay.
How much?
Which is to be 2.
Very good. So -2, right means you will write positive, 4 units means 4. So the answer is 2. This is for A. Which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? Left of 1 means
-4.
1 minus 5. So the answer will be negative. If we are at -8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -13?
We have to move left.
Okay, you have to move left. Great. Left and how many units? 5 units. Okay. If we are at -6 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -1?
Right.
Right.
5.
Wonderful. So that means you will write 5 units towards right. All right. Very good. Now addition of integers. You must be knowing how to add integers. I told you that day, if you are going to add 2 integers, if the 2 integers are having the same sign, they are always added, and the final result will have the sign of the both the numbers. If 2 numbers are having the same different sign, they are always subtracted, and the subtraction is done from the greater number, okay, for the smaller number, and the sign will be written for the number which is larger. All right, you know addition and subtraction. So I'm not going to make you understand this much more. Okay, so here is the question for you. First question, be quick in answering.
Okay.
The time will be given just 15 seconds, my dear. You have to be quick.
Okay. Mm. -8.
See,
Okay.
everybody can do the question. The thing is, when I am giving you a time bound question, it is making you difficult. See how to do a time bound question. See the process. So, -9 plus 5 will give you -5. Alright. -5 and -6 will be added to -11. And -11 plus 3 is going to be -8. Wonderful. Shabash. Well, you just took 1 second more. Okay, it's okay.
I had the answer, but I was checking for
Okay,
a long time.
no problem, no problem. So anytime you will be given only 15 seconds. Okay, 15 seconds is also much, but I just want you to be quick. Time starts now.
So
How much?
15.
How
15.
much? How much you got?
15.
15. Now this time you took so much time, dear.
Yeah.
Say this. How to do? So first what you need to do is you have to add the numbers that are having the same sign. Okay. So 30 plus 55 is equal to 85. Then you have to add these two numbers which are having the same sign. So 3 plus C3 is 6 and 6 plus 2 is 8 and this is going to be -86. So -86 plus 85 is -1.
1. I don't know. Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Okay. You missed anything?
I don't know.
How
I
you?
got 15.
So are you practicing in your notebook or you were just calculating from your mind?
Um, first question I didn't mind. I started to write this, except it was too late, so I left it. So
See, you must write like this, then it will save your time only. Okay, alright, and it will bring the confidence that you are doing the question in a right method. Okay, then here is another question for you. Again, the time will be given is only 15 seconds. Time starts now.
okay, what did I do? 1 minute, sorry.
How much?
No. Okay, 151. 151.
But you took more than 15 seconds, dear. You have to be very quick in answering questions like this. Okay, how you have to do this? So simple, dear. So see, when you've been asked addition, okay, see how I am doing it. In the same process, the same question I am also saying, just try to do with the my perspective eyes. Okay, so first I know 10 and 15 are negative, so they will both together and they will form -25. Then 92 and 14, so 2 plus 4 is 6 and 9 plus 8 is 17. 6 minus 5 is 1, 17 minus 2 is 15. It is going to be 151. Alright. Since I was making you understand, so I took more time, but it could have solved much before that. Alright. Let's see. Okay. So some questions are very simple. Let us see that you can understand simple questions or not. So using the number line, write the integer which is 3 more than 5. Tell me.
8.
Wonderful. 5 more than -5.
0.
6 less than 2.
4.
4 or negative 4?
-4, -4.
6 less than 2 means from 2 you have to move 6 steps towards left. So when you move 2 steps you will reach up to 0, and then 4 more steps, so the answer is negative 4.
So I said -4, I said -4.
Okay, I didn't got that. It's okay, then my fault. 3 less than negative 2.
-5.
Negative 5. Wonderful. Okay. So this you can do mentally and orally both. Okay. Okay. So tell me the answer for the first one. You keep on answering, I will be writing all the answers. Time starts now. For all the questions, the same time will be there. Keep on telling me the answers.
First one is 3
Okay.
-6,
Okay.
-8,
Okay.
-5. Yeah, -5.
How much?
No, sorry, 5. -6.
Okay.
2.
Okay.
Yeah, 2. Next one is 4,
Okay.
9. Okay, sorry,
Okay.
9. That one is 5.
Wonderful.
D is 100. No, -100.
Oh, you saw mine. It's
No,
okay.
I missed it. -100. E is minus -110. Okay, no, sorry. No. That's not right. It is minus 650. The next one is -317.
Very good. So if I see how many questions you have done, 5, 6, then 6 and 6, 12 questions, and 12 into 15. Very much less than 7 to 8 seconds you took. Wonderful. Very well done. Good to write. Okay. Then some more questions in the same manner. I'm going to write the question for you. You can open your notebook, you can start writing, and you can start solving and prompting me the answer. I will start writing. You have to write like this: 137 plus minus 354, and then tell me the answer.
Oh, okay.
Again, I am starting the time. Okay.
Uh, 214
Okay.
minus 214.
Okay.
0.
Okay.
C is -99. Uh, D is 50. 5 is 3. 3. B is 38.
28.
38. 38.
Okay. Almost 2 minutes you took. Let us check your answer, dear. Okay. So in the
Okay.
first case, 354 minus 137. See, the last number cannot come as 4. Always remember.
7.
No. Try to understand
So the
this.
last number is 7.
The last number is going to be 7 only, because 7 plus 7 is 14. Alright. See, it is like from 137. So from 137, if you are going back up to minus 354. So first thing is that if you subtract this, 14 minus 7 is how much? 7. And then this will become 4. 4 minus 3 is how much? 1. Then this will be 3 only. 3 minus 1 is 2. So it is going to be 217. Negative 217.
Yeah.
Okay. That was correct. Now this is, what answer you told for this?
I said.
For the third one, your
Said
answer came
minus.
negative 99, right? Now let us check it. So 9 plus 2 is 11, 19 plus 4 is 23. So we have to subtract 312 minus 231. 2 minus 1 is 1.
It's still wrong. Right?
So it is going to be 81, dear. How you got 99 and that too negative 81? How you got negative 99?
I didn't get 231. Instead, I got 213. That's why.
Now where is 213? When you add these two numbers, you are going to get 231 only. These are the numbers, no?
Yes, I don't know. I think I saw the wrong number. Okay.
Okay, so that also you have to correct yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So because nobody is going to prompt number to you. You have to see and you have to write. Okay, this was correct. Now see there, dear. Now what happened you in this question, dear? See, 7 plus 9 is 16. So 16 minus 16 is 0. So the answer could have become 4. I don't know how you got 3. You can simply see these two numbers are 9 and 7, 16.
Yeah.
Negative 16 and plus 16 can be cancelled to 0 and you will be left with only 4. So this answer is incorrect. So this is 4. Then in this question, so 8 plus 2. First we will add these two numbers. See, we must use all those properties. Okay, then if we don't use the properties, then it is of no use. So first we will add these two numbers because they are forming 10. We played a game of making a number 10. Don't we? We played, right?
Yeah.
So 37, then 10 and 65 will become negative 75. Okay, so then means you have to subtract 75 minus 37. It is going to be 38. The answer is going to be negative 38.
38.
Well done. Okay. Now subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers means, see, what is addition of integer means? Suppose this is a number line and on the number line this is suppose 0 and you are standing here. Okay, you can face on this side, you can, so don't get misunderstood. Okay, so if I am saying I am moving towards the right, that means I am doing this positive sign. Addition is being going on. If you are facing towards this, means you are doing subtraction. You are doing subtraction. What does this means? If you are facing this means you are doing addition. All right? You understood this? Okay. Now, while facing towards this as well, there are two methods of walking. One method is to walk forward and another method is to walk backward. You can do both the things. You can either walk forward or you can walk backward. Moving forward means plus. Moving forward means plus. So I will write forward means plus. Backward means negative. Backward means negative. Are you getting it? The first positive is the addition. The first negative is the subtraction. The number attached, the sign attached with the number means it is either you are moving forward or backward. Now say this. When I am facing towards right, okay, from your perspective I am looking at it. So I am standing like this. I am going to move towards the right with your perception. So if I am moving towards right, so I am moving how? Forward. I am moving forward. So if I am moving forward means both the numbers are positive. So it is like 2. This plus is addition, and then this is plus 8 means moving forward. If I say 2 plus minus 8, what does this mean? This means I am plus means facing towards positive, but negative 8 means I am moving backward. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So moving backward means plus of minus is going to be minus only. Facing towards this, moving backward means you are going towards negative. Okay. Now facing towards negative and moving backward means I am moving towards positive. So that's why we say 2 minus minus 8 is 2 plus 8. Why minus of minus is plus? Because minus means I am facing towards left, I am going to move towards that area, but minus 8 means I am moving backward, I am not moving forward. So when I face towards negative, but I am moving backward, so I will reach the same as I am moving forward and facing towards the right. Okay, so in conclusion, if I want to conclude this, I will say A minus minus B is actually equal to A plus B. Alright, then A minus B is equal to A minus B. This is plus B, or you can understand it like plus B. Then we have A plus of minus B is equal to A minus B. Alright, any doubt here? Good. So you understood all these concepts. Let's move on to the questions, and then we'll do some of the questions from here. Okay, now same way, I'm going to give you a timer on, and all these questions you have to write in your notebook. First I will show you the example how you are going to do. You have to write like this, dear. A, you will write 35 minus 20, and then you will write the answer directly. All right, or you can take one more step. You will write 35 minus 20, open the bracket, and then you will write 15. Alright, this is the way that you are going to do. You are going to write in your notebook and prompting me your answer came. I will keep on writing here, and we will see the timer. We will see in how much time you are going to do all these questions. How many questions are there? So 6 and 4, 10 questions are there. Time starts now.
B is minus 8.
Okay.
$35.
Which one?
C.
35?
Sorry, no, sorry. E. Yes, 35, sorry.
Okay.
C is um, 3.
Okay.
D is minus 33
Well done.
is uh minus 72. Yeah, no, sorry. 8. The second one,
You have to tell me which is greater of left side. You have to show me with respect to the left side. If left side is greater, you will say left side. If right side is greater, you will say right side.
um,
For the first A, second A.
right side.
Right side?
Yeah. Left side.
Don't ask questions. Be confident.
Left side.
Okay.
Left side, right? Left side.
Okay.
Equal.
Okay. 3 minutes you took for another 10 questions. Okay, now let us check your answer. The first one was correct, that is 15. In the second one, it is minus 18, dear. It is not 8.
Oh.
Okay, 90 minus
Yeah.
72. See, from 72 you plus 880, so it is going to be 18 minus 18. Okay, this is correct. So how to do this quickly? You can just see this negative of negative is positive. So 18 minus 15 is 3. Similarly, both the numbers are having the same sign. So they will be added and they will form 33, negative 33. These two numbers will be added again and it will become 35. Again this will be added. So that means 8. 40 minus 32 is 8. Alright. Now how to solve these questions? Okay, apart from one question you solved all the questions correctly, but the thing is I don't know how you are, what is your approach. So I am going to tell you my approach and see if you can understand the approach or not. My approach is I am not going to add the numbers. I am going to see for equal numbers. I am going to see for the equal numbers. So I saw that there is negative 3 here, negative 3 here as well. So here I am having negative number, here I am having positive number. So this is going to be greater. In the second case also, I saw that negative 21, then these two will form positive part. Here both the numbers are negative, so this is going to be positive. Alright, both the numbers are negative means they will become lesser negative, more negative. Here I am just adding something, so that means it is going to be greater than this. So here also if I see both the numbers, if I add them, so they are going to be 56. 57 minus 4 is 53. So that is, this is greater. Well done. Now see the last one here. In this case, these two numbers, this will become positive. This lesser number is become positive. So this is greater than that number. Alright, they are not equal.
Yeah, okay, I realize that now after.
Okay.
Okay.
No, but did you change your approach or you were doing in the same manner that I was doing?
Almost like the first three questions. Yeah, I was looking at the fact that when the sign was repeated and it's added, which means the number would be larger.
Okay, fine, great, wonderful. So see, you must be having some concept in your mind, some logic in your mind, so that, okay, now last four questions before we end this class. No, not four questions, I think there are more questions. Okay, and after that we will end this class, and in the next class I am going to give you more questions from my book. Okay, And have you downloaded my app as well? Today I am going to teach you how to download my app as well. Okay, so let's do these questions. Tell me quickly, what should I write here?
8.
Okay, what should I write? 8.
8, yeah.
Okay, what should I write here?
Minus 13.
Okay, then
No.
then
Uh, minus 8.
very good.
The next one is 25. Sorry. Yeah, 25.
How you got 25,
Oh,
dear?
no, okay. It's minus 10. Okay, I didn't see that. Okay, it's just kind of glaring. Okay.
Look, you have to do it. See, these questions are to be done, my dear. See this think it as a x. So x minus 15 is negative 10. So x is equal to, take 15 on the other side. So it is going to be 15 minus 10.
Minus.
So x is equal to 5. How much time it took? Hardly 3-4 seconds. Don't
Okay,
just think and put the answer. If you think and put the answer, you may be wrong. You can do that, but after some days of good practice, try to do in this manner. All right,
Yeah.
do the next one.
Next one is minus 40.
Minus 40.
The next one is okay, 1 minute.
How much?
No, 51 minus 51, I think. No.
See, you have pen, you have a notebook. You can write in your notebook and do it, dear.
No, it's okay, fine. Ten.
10.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one.
Minus 105.
Minus 105.
And the last one is 92.
Very good. So this one is incorrect, dear. See, minus of minus is going to be positive. So this is going to be negative 15. So 25 minus 15 is going to be 10. All right. I don't know if there is any confusion in the question. It is visible to you properly.
No, like the minus is not visible a lot of times.
Okay, I understood. It's okay. Then it's okay. Okay, then it's my fault that the question is not visible to you. From the next time onwards, I will ensure that it is visible to you. All right.